So this is the AI Deep Research Agent. So let's try quantum computing breakthroughs. So it is calling these tools EXA Search, Executive Summary, Key Findings, Technical Analysis. So nicely formatted, including the references. Okay, generate, and then here we have click to download the research report. Okay, so here we have the report markdown formatted, all the references with the link. Okay, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So welcome to the series of videos on Agno Agentic Library. So it's a very lightweight, model agnostic agentic framework. And this is the 8th video in the series. So if you haven't watched the previous videos where we are building a very powerful agent step by step, please remember to watch them. The links are there in the description. And the code that we are showcasing here is there in the Agno website, but we are also making it into a very easy to use presentable web application. So if you have an automation agency, you can easily present it to your clients. So let's first see the code. So in the cookbook, getting started, research agent EXA. So we are using EXA platform. It has got search, contents, find similar, these endpoints it provides. So here initial sections are similar, and here we are defining the agent with the description and the instruction. Remember, both are important for the agent to understand what it's supposed to do. Then the expected output is given. The entire markdown format is given. Then it runs. So this is the command line application. So first what we are going to see is how can we run this application as a command line Python without having to install any libraries locally using Docker. The repo URL is given in the description. All you need to do is to git clone the repo URL. Then you will get a folder called Techie Talks AI, and you cd into agno/008 research agent EXA. I'm in this folder. So there, if you see, there are few files. The only thing that you need to do is rename this as .env after adding your own API keys. Whichever model that you want to use, just place that API key in this example. Then we have the Docker Compose file that has two sections like we explained earlier. One is to run the Streamlit application and other is to run the command line application. So first we will run the command line application using Docker Compose run app. Okay, so it's research the latest development in brain computer interfaces. So if you look at the script, you will notice that that is what we are specifying when we run this command line. Research the latest development in brain computer interfaces. See here, it is started producing the report, executive summary, introduction, and finally the references, all nicely formatted. So this is the command line version of the application. Now what we are going to do is the same application, we are making it into a web application. So this is the application. All we are doing is just adding a couple of lines to make it into a Streamlit application. So we are using the Streamlit library here, then adding the title, subtitle, etc. and the sidebar. Okay, and then the agent section is identical. Okay, and then we have the prompt where you enter the query that you want this agent to research, and then finally we are outputting. That is it. And how do we run it? Docker Compose up app-st, and then you can come to the web localhost colon 8511, and then we can enter the same question, research the latest in brain computer interfaces. So conducting deep research analysis, and it is running these queries using the EXA tool, EXA search. And here is the research finding. It is streaming, that is where it is getting chunk by chunk. Stream response and show references be check marked. So at the bottom it gives the research references. Okay, and here we have the download research report. So this is a very simple to build agent. Essential components are all there in this code, and you can directly download and run this on your machine. And you can also host this to showcase to your clients. So thank you for your time. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.